This video will show you how to install our side racks alongside our rear rack. If you are looking to install the side racks by themselves, without the rear rack, stay tuned until the end of their video for additional details. This video demonstrates the installation of one side rack. Simply repeat the same process for the opposite side. Begin by removing the rear rack seat mounting bolt and the upper foot peg bracket bolt. Align the side rack into position, then insert the longer bolt and washer from your hardware kit into the seat mount. Next, align the lower mount with the upper foot peg bracket mount that you removed the bolt from earlier, and install the bolt by hand until it is snug. Now, go back and tighten both mounting bolts securely. The installation is now complete. To install the side racks by themselves, without the rear rack, follow these steps. First, remove the factory seat mounting bolt. Next, remove the upper foot peg bracket bolt. Before continuing to the next step, make sure you have reinstalled the factory spacers into the seat mounting locations. Align the side rack and the large black spacers from your hardware kit as shown. Now, insert the longer bolt and washer from your hardware kit through the side rack and spacer, and into the seat mount. Next, insert the shorter bolt and washer into the upper foot peg bracket mount. Finally, go back and tighten both mounting bolts securely. The installation is now complete. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.